morning. We are at the Hamilton Terra Winter Market. I'm here with Brody from Dawson's Hot Sauce, and we've actually had you on the show way back when.
We have. It's a pleasure to see you again.
We know the people who love hot. They love heat, and I'm sure you have people walk up to you and say, I want extreme heat. And they're used to just saying, like, you know, dumping it on just in their soup or whatever, on their pasta sauce. Give me some creative ways to use your sauce.
Well, the sauces can be used in anything. If you like heat in your life, they can be applied at almost anything you eat on a day-to-day basis.
No rhyme or reason?
No. If you want to apply to some things in the market here, charcuterie boards are a really big thing. We have a chocolate hot sauce we use that we say you can use on pound cake, you can use in ice cream. I use it in hot chocolate and coffee during the winter season. It has almost like a little bit of a chai effect, like a tickle in your back of your throat. It's not much as spicy as it is just an effect. But it's really nice, and it's actually quite a popular sauce during the wintertime for us as well.
Love it. So Dawson's Hot Sauce is going to be here at the Hamilton Market. You can come here to the Terra Winter Market anytime, check them out, and ask questions.
Yeah, we'll be here the whole season.
Try it out. Go for it. Even if you don't like hot sauce, you're going to like these. I guarantee it. That's it for now at the Terra Winter Market.